Hey there, Chet here. If you've been exploring lead generation tools, you've probably seen LinkedIn Sales Navigator come up more than once. It is mostly used by sales professionals who rely on LinkedIn to find, connect with, and close leads faster and more efficiently. In this video, I'll break down everything that you need to know about LinkedIn Sales Navigator, its features, strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Sales Navigator actually is. At its core, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is an advanced sales tool that sits on top of the regular LinkedIn platform. It's built to help sales teams and individual professionals find the right people, engage with them using personalized messaging, and build trusted relationships that convert over time. You still use LinkedIn, but with Sales Navigator, you get access to advanced search filters, saved leads, real-time insights, and tools that make prospecting much more focused and organized. Now let's talk about features. One of the standout features of Sales Navigator is advanced lead and company search. You can filter by job title, industry, seniority, level, geography, and even recent LinkedIn activity. There's also the ability to save leads and track updates from those contacts, like job changes or new posts. You can send in-mail messages directly to people outside of your network, which helps you reach prospects who wouldn't otherwise be accessible. Plus, it integrates with CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce so that you can sync contact data and streamline your workflow. Now, one of the biggest strengths of Sales Navigator is the accuracy and depth of its search tools. Instead of relying on guesswork or outdated databases, you're pulling directly from LinkedIn's massive user base. This is especially helpful if you're working in B2B, where personalization and timing can really make or break a deal. The tool also gives sales reps valuable context like shared connections or recent activity, which helps start conversations more naturally. But of course, Sales Navigator does have some drawbacks. One of the most common complaints is the limited number of in-mail messages per month, which can run out quickly if you're reaching out at scale. Also, while it is powerful, it still depends on how active and accurate users are on their LinkedIn profiles. And if your target market doesn't live on LinkedIn, the platform might not be the best fit. Furthermore, Sales Navigator isn't a full CRM. It's more of a lead gen assistant. So while it will help with outreach and research, you'll still need a proper CRM to manage deals, pipelines, and deeper automation. It is also worth noting that the learning curve is there. It may take a bit of time to get used to all the filters and tools, especially if you're a beginner. Now, pricing. Let's take a look at the numbers. LinkedIn Sales Navigator has 3 plans. The core plan costs $99.99 per user per month. The advanced plan is $149.99 per user per month and adds more team collaboration and CRM integration features. Now, for larger teams with custom needs, there's an advanced plus plan with custom pricing, which includes deeper CRM syncing and data validation tools. So overall, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a strong tool for sales teams that rely heavily on relationship building and outreach. It's not a full sales platform, but as a lead gen and engagement tool, it's definitely delivering value, especially if your prospects are already active on LinkedIn. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe there at the bottom of the screen. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.